Here we are, January 2nd, and I had planned on going through all 5 pair of my cuffs and in order that I got them, and that would be 5 escapes with a key. First was this, and then second was going to be my Viper Tech. As you can see, they're not in front of me. They have come up missing, and I've searched it everywhere, but it's looking bleak. Maybe the Shackleman gods will grace us again with their presence someday, but it is not looking good. So, a moment of silence, if you will. Okay, anyway. On the third pair, now that I only have 4. These are Peerless 700s, I think. Shackleman embroidered. And one quick key escape will fit the bill. Yay!